Amirul Mu'mineen alayhi salam, he describes Rasulullah as what? طَبِيبٌ دَوَّارٌ بِطِبِّهِ. The Prophet was like a roaming physician. Why was he a roaming physician? Because unlike physical ailments, spiritual diseases in many cases are undetectable. You don't even know that you're sick. So Rasulullah is a roaming physician. Sometimes the patient goes to the doctor because he knows he's sick. But sometimes the doctor goes to the patient because the patient doesn't even know he's ill. So this man asks the Prophet, Ya Rasulullah, I have a harsh heart. What should I do? Rasulullah says, إِذَا أَرَدْتَ أَن يَلِينَ قَلْبُكَ فَأَطْعِمِ الْمِسْكِينَ وَامْسَحْ رَأْسَ الْيَتِيمِ. If you want to soften your heart, because the hearts that are soft, they're closer to Allah. We don't have any prophet who was harsh. We have no imam that was harsh. All of them are merciful, compassionate. If you want your heart to soften, feed the poor and stroke the head of the orphan. Do you know why Rasulullah says stroke the head of the orphan? Because you and I, we think orphans only need money. Whenever we talk about orphans, yeah, let's raise money for the orphans. But we often forget that orphans also have emotional needs. They need someone to stroke their heads. They need someone to care for them, to fill the void of not having parents.